Hi students, in this lesson we will learn how to solve the paper question. Okay, this is a WPN question. The office manager at Midway Insurance Company asked Jennifer to order copy paper for the office machines. They usually order the cheaper paper, but the manager wanted to know the prices for different qualities of paper. Jennifer found the following information in the central office supply catalogue. The manager also reminded Jennifer that the central office supply gives Midway Insurance Company a 40% discount of the catalogue prices of all purchases. Okay, now there are three types of quality paper. First is the economic, first is the premium, next is the economic, and third is the recycle. Okay, so there are three qualities of paper. So now let's read the question again. How much cheaper would it be for Midway Insurance to buy 5 cartons of economic paper instead of premium? Okay, let's highlight this important information. Okay, let's read the question again. How much cheaper would it be for Midway Insurance to buy 5 cartons? Okay, now they wanted to buy 5 cartons of economic paper instead of premium paper. So we need to compare two qualities of paper. First is the economic paper, and secondly is the premium paper. So let's draw an arrow. Okay, so that I know I need to focus on the premium and the economic. Okay, the recycle is not needed, so I can put a cross here. Okay, now let's compare. So the company wants us to buy the carton. Okay, so the key important word here is carton. Okay, let's underline carton. Okay, so now let's take a look. Premium, 1 rim equals to $8.25. Economic, 1 carton is $78.50. So we need to compare cartons. Okay, so what we need to do is, since premium is in a rim price, we need to move this decimal point to the right by 1. Since 1 carton equals to 10 rim, so we move this to the right and this becomes $82.50. Oops. Okay, you notice this is now a carton. 1 carton costs $82.50 and 1 carton of economic paper costs $78.50. When both are in carton prices, then we can compare. Okay, step 1. What we will need to do is, okay, we will need to find the difference of 1 carton. So the difference of price. So we need to minus $82.50 minus $78.50. Okay, this will give me $4. Okay, the difference is $4. So the premium paper is much more expensive by $4. Okay, so now how many cartons am I buying? I'm buying 5 cartons. So what I will need to do is I will need to take 4 times 5. This will give me $20. Okay, so next step, I know that I'm given 40% discount. Okay, as you can see on top. Okay, let me scroll up. Okay, yes, this is the 40% discount. So the actual price of 5 cartons will cost me $20. However, I'm given a 40% discount. So I will do this 40 over 100 times 20 over 1. So I'll look up for the zeros, cancel the 0, cancel 0. Now I'll go diagonal. Yes, there's 1 0 and another 0 for me to cancel. Next step is, okay, you need to remember to do this. Okay, most of you will forget to do this. So you will need to circle 4 and 2. So 4 times 2 will give me 8 over 1 times 1 equals to $8. Okay, however, this is not the last step. This is the discounted price. So to find the sale price, I will need to minus 20 minus $8. This will give me $12. So the answer is $12. Okay, now let's take a look at another question. Okay, question 2 again. Okay, the top part is the same, so what I will need to focus on is the 40%. Again, 40% discount of all the catalog price on all purchases. Okay, now let's read the question. Again, same thing. Notice premium 1 rim is $8.25, economic 1 carton is $70.50, recycle is $8.30. Okay, so now let's take a look at the question. What the question wants us to find. What is the total cost of an order of 4 cartons of recycled paper? Oh, recycled paper now, including the discount. Okay, so now the question wants us to find out the price of 4 cartons of recycled paper including the discount. Okay, so now I will need to cancel off premium, since the question does not want me to find out about the premium and the economic paper. So I will just focus on the recycled. Okay, now let's take a look. $8.30, this is per rim. So I'm comparing cartons, so I will need to move this one time to the right, and this will give me $83. Okay, so 1 carton equals to $83. Okay, so now what is the total cost of an order of 4 cartons of recycled paper including the discount? Okay, so what we can do is let's find out the price. Let's find out the sale price of 1 carton. Okay, so I know that 40% discount is given, so 40 over 100 times 83. Okay, do I need to write the decimal point? Don't need. Okay, I can just strike this off and just write it as 83 over 1. Okay, so now we'll look up for zeros, cancel the 0, cancel the 0, there's no more 0 to be cancelled here. So next step, what I will need to do is, I will need to circle the 4 and the 83. Okay, so 4 times 83, I will do my multiplication by the side, 83 times 4. 4 times 3 will give me 12, carry the 1, 8 times 4 is 32, 32 plus 1 is 33. So 3, 3, 2 over, oops, okay, slow down. Now this is a 10 and a 1, so 10 over 1 will give me 10. Okay, notice that 332 over 10, we can move 1, we can jump to the left by 1 time. Okay, since there's only 1 0, so this will give me 33.20. Okay, so I know that discount is $33.20. I do not stop here, because now next step I will need to find the sale price. So I will need to minus 83 minus 33.20. Okay, so I can do the working here. 83. Now I will need to put the decimal point, because there is a 20 cents from $33.20. Okay, so 0 0, cancel the 3, becomes 2, carry the 1, 8, now okay, becomes 7. 12 minus 3 is 9, 7 minus 3 is 4. So 1 carton will cost me $49.80. Okay, I do not stop here, because the question wants me to find out the cost of 4 cartons. So this is the sale price, so I will need to multiply this by 4. So $49.80 times 4, this will give me, there's not enough space here, so I'll do it by the side. 49.8. Okay, 9 times 4 gives 36. 36 plus 3, 9. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. So the total cost will be $199.20. So this is the final answer. Okay, so let us recap on this question again. Okay, so what is the total cost of an order of 4 cartons of recycled paper? So I cancel off premium and economic, since these two papers are not required. So I will just need to focus on the recycle. Now next step, what I will need to do is, okay, I forgot to, okay, you will need to also underline and circle the word carton. This is to remind yourself that you need to change it by multiplying times 10 by, or moving one step to the right. Okay, so you jump one step to the right and this becomes $83 because currently the price before is in RIM. Okay, then after which you will need to find the discounted price. So 40 over 100 times 83 over 1. This will give me 332 over 10. Okay, now this one you have to be careful because this is 10. If it's 10, we need to jump one step to the left. Okay, so it becomes $33.20. And next step, we will need to minus 83 minus $33.20. This will give me $49.80. This is the cost of one carton. Okay, so next step, I will need to multiply by 4. And the answer is $199.20. Okay, thank you.